router sled is an essential woodworking tool designed to flatten wood slabs using a router. Comprising a base and carriage, it enables precise adjustments in 3 axes for accurate positioning relative to the router bit. Router sleds come in various types, catering to specific functions and budget considerations. Choosing the right sled involves assessing the size and type of slabs and ensuring compatibility with the router table. Learning to use a router sled safely and effectively is crucial, with ample online and library resources available for guidance. The benefits of employing a router sled include achieving high accuracy in flattening slabs, enhanced safety by keeping hands away from the router bit, and increased overall efficiency in woodworking tasks. The POWERTEC 71369 is a versatile 612 diameter clear acrylic baseplate designed to fit various routers, including popular brands like Porter Cable, Bosch, Craftsman, DeWalt, Hitachi, Makita, Milwaukee, and Ryobi, constructed from durable 5/16 inches thick clear acrylic. The plate allows a clear view of the work surface, aiding in precise alignment and preventing unwanted cuts. Equipped with a centering pin for router stability and letter-marked holes for easy installation, this baseplate is suitable for various routing applications, including template routing, edge routing, shaping, grooving, and inlaying. A valuable addition to any woodworker's toolbox, the POWERTEC 71369 enhances routing precision and versatility. The Milescraft 1334 JointMaster is a versatile and user-friendly self-clamping doweling jig designed for creating edge, corner, and surface joints. Constructed from durable aluminum, it is adjustable to accommodate boards ranging from 1 2-inch to 3 inches thick. The jig includes 3 drill blocks for common dowel sizes, 1 4-inch, 5 16-inch, and 3 8-inch, and features centering spacers for standard board thicknesses. With a self-clamping design, the JointMaster eliminates the need for additional clamps, ensuring quick and easy setup. Built-in edge stops contribute to proper joint alignment. While it offers versatility and ease of use, it is essential to use the correct dowel size and consider its limitations, such as not being suitable for hardwoods and the recommendation for use with a drill press for optimal results. Overall, the Milescraft 1334 JointMaster is a reliable and efficient doweling jig, suitable for various woodworking projects. The Tumiette wheel marking gauge is a precision woodworking tool designed for accurately marking lines on wood. Its graduated scale, available in both inches and millimeters, facilitates easy measurement and marking. Crafted from durable solid metal, this gauge ensures longevity and resilience. The inclusion of 2 replacement cutters allows for continuous use, even after cutter dullness. Operating the gauge is straightforward. Adjust the wheel to the desired distance, place it on the wood, and slide it along the edge to mark your line. Suitable for woodworkers of all levels, the TUMEYET wheel marking gauge stands out for its accuracy, user-friendly design, and robust construction. With features like a hardened steel wheel and a knurled thumb screw for easy wheel adjustment, this versatile tool is well suited for various woodworking projects. Measuring 8 inches in length, it offers convenient handling. The Going Make Carpenter Square 3D Multi-Angle Measuring Ruler stands out as a versatile woodworking tool suitable for various tasks. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, it combines durability with a lightweight design. The square features laser-engraved scales with an accuracy of plus or minus 0.004 inches and incorporates a 1/16-inch hole scribing capability for easy line drawing. Its functionality extends to measuring and marking angles, as well as checking for squareness. The inclusion of a fixed angle positioning pin allows for marking specific angles, including 10 degree, 22.5 degrees, 30 degree, 45 degree, 50 degree, 60 degree, 67.5 degrees, 70 degree, and 90 degrees angles. Whether you're a beginner or a professional woodworker, the Going Make Carpenter Square proves to be a versatile and accurate tool for a variety of woodworking tasks. Its durable construction and lightweight nature further enhance its appeal for woodworking enthusiasts. The Kendo 16-piece Forstner bit set stands out as an excellent choice for woodworkers seeking a versatile and durable set of bits. Crafted from high-quality alloy steel, these bits feature a sharp cutting edge, ensuring ease of use. With sizes ranging from 1/4 inch to 1/2 inches, the set caters to a wide range of woodworking projects. The center spurs on the bits prevent wandering during use, and their smooth finish simplifies the cleaning process. The inclusion of a storage case adds convenience, keeping the bits organized and protected. While the set is an excellent choice for woodworking tasks, it may be relatively expensive and may not be the best option for those needing bits for metal drilling. In summary, the Kendo Forstner bit set is a top pick for woodworking versatility and durability. The Promise Epoxy Resin Kit for tabletop is an ideal choice for DIY enthusiasts engaged in projects like tabletops, countertops, and bar tables. This 2-part, 1-gallon kit boasts a non-toxic, food-safe formula, ensuring its safety around food and providing a crystal-clear finish that enhances the visual appeal of your project. The epoxy resin is self-leveling, simplifying the application process, and it exhibits UV resistance, making it durable in various lighting conditions. With a heat resistance of up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit and chemical resistance, this kit is both versatile and durable. The package includes 1 gallon each of resin and hardener, along with mixing cups, stir sticks, foam brushes, nitrile gloves, and comprehensive instructions for a hassle-free experience. For those seeking a high-quality epoxy resin kit that ensures ease of use, safety, and stunning results, the Promise Epoxy Resin Kit for tabletop is an excellent choice. Stainless steel right-angle clamps are indispensable tools, featuring an L-shaped design to firmly grip two materials at a precise 90-degree angle. With durability attributed to stainless steel, these clamps excel in woodworking, metalworking, and construction tasks, offering a user-friendly experience through a simple screw mechanism for tightening and loosening. Their versatility extends to applications like gluing, welding, and soldering, ensuring accurate joints with their inherent 90-degree angle design. Commonly used in woodworking for joint clamping, metalworking for securing pieces during welding, and construction for precise material alignment, these clamps play a crucial role in ensuring stability and accuracy, making them essential for various projects. The Kutzall Original 6 inches flat hand rasp is a powerful woodworking tool designed for efficient material removal. Its 6 inches flat rasp surface and coarse grade make it ideal for leveling large surfaces and shaping wood quickly. With a durable tungsten carbide coating and structured tooth technology, it excels in heavy-duty tasks, providing multi-directional cutting action for intricate shapes. The ergonomic soft grip handle ensures user comfort and control during use, and the 11 inches overall length offers good leverage for effective application of pressure. Suitable for woodworking, sculpture, fiberglass shaping, and ceramics, it proves versatile across various applications. Users should be mindful of its aggressive nature for delicate tasks and handle it with care to avoid potential brittleness. Overall, it stands out as a valuable tool for professionals and enthusiasts seeking rapid material removal in diverse projects. The Sjobergs 33246 Elite Woodworkers Beech Workbench stands as a pinnacle choice for serious woodworkers seeking durability and functionality. Crafted in Sweden from European beech, this workbench is built to last a lifetime. With a robust, single-slab beech worktop measuring 54 1/8 inches in length, 23 5/8 inches in width, and 35 7/16 inches in height, it provides a substantial and stable workspace. The inclusion of two large cast-iron vices, each with a 23.5 inches jaw opening, ensures secure clamping for even the largest projects. The steel bench dog holes add versatility, making it a worthy investment for woodworkers in need of a top-tier workbench. The Nicpro 2-pack Carpenter pencil with Sharpener offers a practical and convenient solution for carpenters and woodworkers. This mechanical pencil set includes 2 pencils with 26 refills in red, black, and yellow, ensuring a variety of marking options. The thick 2.8 mm lead is robust and break-resistant, suitable for marking on diverse surfaces. The deep hole marker design facilitates marking in tight spaces, enhancing versatility. Ergonomically designed for comfort and grip, the pencils feature a pocket clip for easy portability. The built-in sharpener ensures that you always have a sharp point, although some users note the pencil's weight and the challenge of sharpening the lead. Overall, the Nicpro Carpenter pencil stands as a durable and versatile marking tool for professionals. The Labraten Minifile set stands out as a versatile and reliable toolset designed for precision filing tasks. Crafted from high-quality alloy steel, these files offer durability and resilience when working with various materials. The rubberized handle ensures a comfortable and secure grip, promoting control and preventing fatigue during extended use. With 6 unique file designs including flat, half-round, round, triangular, square, and tapered, the set caters to a range of tasks, from smoothing surfaces to reaching tight corners. This versatility makes it suitable for applications such as jewelry making, model making, woodworking, metalworking, electronics repair, and various DIY projects. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, the Libraton Minifile set proves to be a valuable and practical addition to your toolbox. The Aries 3200 6-2-piece 5-inch ratcheting quick clamp set proves to be a versatile and robust tool suitable for various applications, including woodworking, metalworking, DIY projects, and household repairs. Its key features include double injection nylon construction with an I-beam design, enhancing strength and clamping force for heavy-duty tasks. The non-marring pivoting jaws with metal pins provide a secure hold without damaging the work surface. The oversized TPR grips ensure superior comfort and control, facilitating easy adjustment, even with gloves. The quick-release lever streamlines clamping and removal, saving time and effort on large projects. Constructed with heavy-duty strength, zinc alloy steel for hardware and ratchet gear, this clamp set is designed for long-lasting durability, making it a valuable addition to any toolbox. The Preciva 90-degree mini positioning squares present an excellent solution for woodworkers handling smaller projects like picture frames and cabinets. This double-set tool, measuring 2.32 inches x 2.32 inches, ensures precision with its 90-degree angle, offering the ideal right angles crucial for strong joints. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, it guarantees longevity while remaining lightweight. The addition of right-angle clamps and fixing clamps enhances stability during tasks, making it adaptable for squaring, aligning, and clamping. This tool proves particularly beneficial for achieving heightened accuracy and efficiency in woodworking projects. However, users should be aware of its size limitations for more extensive projects and ensure proper alignment before tightening the clamps to avoid any potential issues. Overall, the Preciva 90-degree mini positioning squares serve as a valuable asset for woodworkers seeking accuracy and efficiency in their craft. The POWERTEC 71158P3 offers a practical solution for woodworkers, providing a 6-pack of 36-inch double-cut profile universal T-tracks made from durable, extruded anodized aluminum. With a width of 3-4 inches, these T-tracks feature a double-cut profile, accommodating various T-slot hardware for versatility. The pre-drilled mounting holes ensure easy installation, allowing woodworkers to swiftly create customized jigs and fixtures, including fences, stops, and hold-downs. These T-tracks are particularly useful for crafting personalized router tables and drill press tables. The affordability, durability, and adaptability of the POWERTEC 71158P3 make it an excellent choice for woodworking enthusiasts seeking to enhance their workshop capabilities. The Turris 3-pieces precision pocket ruler is a highly versatile woodworking tool, featuring 3 rulers in 6, 8, and 12-inch lengths. Constructed from durable metal and equipped with both metric and inch markings, these rulers cater to various project needs. Notably, the built-in slide rule adds a unique functionality, enabling quick and precise repetitive measurements. The slide rule further incorporates a protractor and angle finder, enhancing its versatility. With a T-square design, These rulers are well suited for tasks like scribing lines and ensuring squareness. Compact and portable, the rulers are convenient for on-the-go use, making them an excellent choice for woodworkers across different skill levels. The Door Stud Pro Series Door Installation Hardware Tool Kit revolutionizes door installation by enabling single-person, hands-free operation. This innovative system eliminates the need for a second person, allowing users to easily hang doors on their own. The door stud clamps onto the door, freeing up hands for drilling and shimming. Its versatility extends to various door types, including pre-hung, slab, pocket, French, barn, and bifold doors, accommodating different thicknesses and weights. With vertical adjustability and three-directional leveling, this tool ensures precise installations. Made of durable steel with a single action clamp and ergonomic handles, it enhances efficiency, accuracy, and safety in ductor installation projects for both DIYers and professionals. The O'School dowel maker and tenon cutters offer versatility in creating dowels and tenons for various woodworking projects. Suitable for both softwoods and hardwoods, this tool efficiently processes 1/2 inches square stock without additional modifications. The included 8 mm and 10 mm cutter heads, made of durable carbon steel, can be easily swapped for different dowel sizes and sharpened with a file for extended use. The guide bracket ensures straight feeding, and the heat-resistant plastic base enhances safety. With flexible securing options like clamps or screws, this tool provides ease of use at an affordable price. While limited to 1/2 inches square stock, it offers a practical solution for DIYers and woodworkers seeking a straightforward dowel and tenon creation tool. The Dremel 107 is a versatile engraving bit designed for rotary tools with a 1/8 inches shank, making it compatible with a range of rotary tool models. Crafted from durable hardened steel, this bit is well suited for engraving on materials such as wood, plastic, linoleum, and soft metals. With a bit diameter and shank diameter, both measuring 1/8, it offers precision and compatibility for various intricate projects. This engraving bit is particularly useful for fine detail work, including engraving letters, designs, patterns, as well as routing, carving, and shaping tasks. Users are advised to start at a slow speed and gradually increase it as needed, ensuring safety with the use of protective gear like glasses and gloves. With a maximum speed of 35,000 revolutions per minute, the Dremel 107 stands out as a reliable and versatile choice for a wide array of applications. The Hardwork Zen Japanese pool saw is a foldable 9.5-inch kataba saw designed for woodworking and DIY projects. Its portability and SK4 carbon steel blade offer durability and sharpness for precise cuts. With trapezoidal teeth to prevent binding and tear out, an ergonomic rubber handle for comfort, and 3 locking positions for versatile use, it caters to various cutting tasks. While praised for its sharpness and convenience, some users mention a learning curve, particularly for those new to pull saws. Overall, the Hardwork Zen Japanese pull saw is well regarded for its quality and suitability in woodworking, making it a reliable choice for enthusiasts and professionals. Thank you for watching this video on top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.